I have great news for you, and you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can apply for a $15,000 grant. You know, when I mention grants on this channel, I'm talking about free money that you're not paying back. This is a $15,000 grant that you ain't paying back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can step by step how to apply for these grants, as well as the organization that is sponsoring these grants. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So if you're new here, oh yeah, leave your trademark. Go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you. I want to meet you. How did you find this video? Who sent it to you? Please let me know as well so I can thank them personally. If you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your massive love and support. I can't be here without you guys. I mean, you guys brought me all the way to 37,000 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I see you. I see every single one of you, and I appreciate you from the depths of my heart. God bless you. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, I know I'm hyper. So while you guys are introducing yourselves, you think I'll forget? Introduce yourself. If you're new to this channel, introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know you. I want to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? So my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife. Yes, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, we share all things grants. Hey, guys, what can be better than that? In today's video is a 15K grant that you are not paying back. So sit back, relax, and grab your cup of coffee and your favorites, popcorn. Let's unravel this $15,000 grant together. So come with me, guys. Let's go. Don't even touch it down. If you have not liked this video, like this video. Yeah, give it a huge thumbs up button. Give it a massive thumbs up or a like. And also do well to share on your community. Share with your friends. Share on Twitter. Just share. There's no harm in sharing. Sharing is caring on this channel. That is the mantra and that is the culture right here. So join the family in case you have not liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's just get right into the business for today. How to win the $15,000 grant. How to apply. Yes, so and be on your way to counting $15,000 grants that you are not paying back. Yes, so come with me, guys. Let's go. So all hail to your grants queen, and I'm reporting for the duty to bring you the latest and greatest in the grants kingdom. If you've ever wondered how to turn your aspirations into achievements, you're about to discover the secret sauce. I'm your grants queen, your one-stop shop for grants knowledge. So stick around and let's embark on a royal adventure into the world of grants together. Today we've got exciting news for you guys. $15,000 Child and Youth Development Program in the United States, and it's presented by the Community Foundation of the Northern Virginia. So let's dive right into the details and explore how you can be a part of creating a brighter future for children and youth. Now, imagine having the power to support initiatives that actually help children and youth, not just to survive but thrive. Well, that's exactly what the Community Foundation for Northern Virginia aims to achieve with its Child and Youth Development Program. Now, this is an annual program and it focuses on making a difference in child and youth development through the Community Investments Fund grant cycle. You heard me right. Grants cycle. You are not paying back. The Child and Youth Fund, which is a vital component of the Permanent Fund for Northern Virginia, is an unrestricted endowment that fuels grants to build a community network that works for everyone. Now, let's talk the numbers. Grant requests of $15,000 are up for grabs, and if you're thinking about eligibility, here is the lowdown. This is the eligibility criteria. Now, non-profit organizations offering after-school programs for elementary, middle, and high school students with a focus on academic achievement, mentorship, and leadership developments are invited to apply. It's all about nurturing the minds of the future leaders. And guess what? Now, pay attention to this part. Applicants must be 501c3 organizations providing charitable or educational services. Government entities. This one is for the non-profits. And this year, the spotlight is on general organization support and no room for capital improvement. And here is the geographical scope. The grants are specifically for organizations serving Northern Virginia, which includes Arlington, Fairfax, Loudoun, Prince William counties, along with the cities of Alexandria, Fairfax, Falls Church, Manassas Park. Now let's talk budget. Organizations with budgets ranging from $150,000 to $4.5 million are eligible to apply. And please make sure that your application is neither fashionably late nor incomplete. Make sure that it is complete. Yes, so because the clock is ticking, an incomplete application will automatically lead to a disqualification, and you can only apply once per year, so make it count. And here is something that you need to know. If you're passionate about supporting child and youth development, don't forget to hit the like button. Yes, so share this video with your network and subscribe to my channel for more grants information like this one. Yes, so and that wraps up today's exploration of the $15,000 Child and Youth Development Program. Remember, your little effort counts in creating a better future for our young ones. Please stay inspired, stay engaged, and of course, let me know if you have any question for me. There are no stupid questions on this channel. Let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And if you need me to do a research to look for a grant for you, that is tailored to your specification, to your field of study, or to whatever it is that you do, let me know, or to your region, let me know as well. I'm constantly researching grants information for you guys day and night. In fact, while I'm shooting these videos, I'm seeing updates. And that's how much I'm committed to helping you guys find grants that will help you grow as an individual, as a business owner, as a non-profit, as a woman. There are lots of grants that you find on my channel. In case you have not seen those grants, head over to my channel. There are grants for women. Yes, there are grants. Have you seen the L'Oreal grants that I shared on my channel? Go ahead and apply for it in case you have not seen it. Yeah, it's for women. And I also have grants for individuals. I have Chevron. I have lots of grants. I'm not going to let the cat out of the bag, but I have a lot of grants. I have grants for Africans. I have grants for people in the United States. People in all parts of Africa, all countries in Africa. I have grants for you guys on my channel. If you need me to also, if you want the link to those videos, you can ask me in the comments. Once you ask the question, I can respond with the link, to that video, to the appropriate video. I'm working for you guys day and night. On this note, I want to say big thank you to all of my Patreon community, my Patreon members. You guys are the best. You guys are the bomb. You guys are the best. Thank you. You guys rock. Thank you for your massive love and support to your girl. I see every single one of you, and I truly appreciate you all from depth of my heart. If you're planning to be part of my Patreon community, it's an exclusive community. You're actually invited into this. You're actually invited into this exclusive community. Part of the perks of joining this community, my Patreon community, is that you get a free one-on-one consultation with me, and you can book my consultation anytime, as long as you're a Patreon member. If you want to get the link to join, you can find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Yes, those are part of the perks of joining. You can book a free consultation, and I can help you with all things business, money, grants, and everything in between. It's your girl Mariah. Yes, and like I always say, please apply for these grants. Even if you think that you don't qualify, you never know, you can be the next grant winner. Just so you know, sometimes the application portals are open even after the deadline. So the fact that you've seen the deadline doesn't mean that you should feel, oh, I can't apply again. Still go ahead and apply, because there was a lady that told me that she applied for a grant after the deadline and she won the grant. So please do not sleep on it. Make sure that you apply for these grants, even if the deadline has passed. Just try and see if the portal is still open. If the website is still open and they're still taking applications, sometimes they forget to close these applications. So yeah, go ahead and apply. You never know, you can be the next grant winner. And please don't say I don't qualify, I don't have this. Still go ahead and apply. I'm telling you, people are winning with the barest minimum, and if you manage to do a little bit extra, guess what? You stand out. I'm telling you, go ahead and apply for these grants. You never know, you can be the next grant winner. And if you need me to do a research a lot to your specification, let me know as well. Go ahead and leave it in the comments. I'm working for you guys day and night. As always, I'm your grants queen on this channel. Make sure that you turn on your notification bell in case you have not. Like this video and join the family. I said like this video and join the family in case you have not. Go ahead and also share with your friends, share with your village members, your friends, your parapet members, your church members, your mosque members, and the witches in your village. Yes, we want all of them to win, and not just win, but win real big. Of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. If anyone is doubting how far you can go, please go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. And if no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are beautiful, you are gorgeous, you are amazing, and I am super duper proud of you. All right, guys, go to exploits on my behalf, and of course, I'll see you at the top. See you on the inside, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. If you have not checked out my previous videos, go and check it out. We'll start applying for all the grants that I've shared, though. Some of them are actually on a rolling basis, which means they never expire. Go ahead and check out my previous videos. Go on YouTube, type my name, Miriam Adepoju, and start to watch all my videos. Click on videos and start to watch all the grants that I've shared with you guys on my channel. I remain your girl, Miriam. I'm working for you guys. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourselves and keep winning and keep shining. Keep sparkling for your girl Chassis. Bye, guys.